Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve this question, which is a number 3 problem. Here we have to find the greatest value of n in integer, positive integer to be precise, such that this entire thing becomes an integer. Why? So it means, how to solve this one? It means we have to, now obviously this one is not dividing this one here clearly. We have to trap this one. What can we do here? Let's first convert. This is, we have n cube here, so let's anyhow this one is n, this one is n cube, so let's convert 10 to 10 cube, that is 1000 anyhow. So what can you do here? Let's convert n cube, let's make this one 1000 minus 900 by n plus 10. Now I can separate like this. Now you can see that this quantity can be separable like this, n cube 10 cube by n plus 10 minus 900 by n plus 10. And clearly you know that this one a cube plus b cube formula, so we can use n plus 10 into n square minus 10n plus 100 divided by n plus 10 minus 900 by n plus 10. Now clearly you can see that this cancels here, and here we have n square minus 10n plus 100 minus 900 by n plus 10. Now because we are working over integers, clearly you can see that no matter what you put instead of n here in place of n, this entire thing is going to be an integer always. This entire thing is always an integer. But if you consider this part, if you want total to be an integer, this part has to be an integer. So when 900 by n plus 10 is equals to an integer, only when n plus 10 divides 900, then only you get integer. It means this entire quantity is equals to an integer only when n plus 10 divides 900. It means n plus 10 must be a divisor of 900, right? So because we want the greatest value of n, it means if n is maximum, then n plus 10 is also maximum. And which divisor of 900 is the maximum, or what is the greatest divisor of 900 is itself. So it means n plus 10 must be equals to 900, because n plus 10 is a divisor of 900 and this has to be maximum, so this is the only possible thing here. It means n equals to 890. So the greatest value of n for which this entire quantity could be an integer is when n equals to 890. This is the answer to this question. Right. So hope you like this one, and we'll next time we'll see with one new question and one with one new twist. Till then, subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends, and we'll see next time. Bye bye.